Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, I think we can get started. Let me share the screen. Okay, do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay. All right, so similar to last time, we'll just talk about the recent releases that we've done and then talk about Fabric version 3 and see what's left to do to finish that out. Does anybody else have agenda items for today? Okay, let's get to it then. So in fact, yesterday we did the latest releases. That would be Fabric 259 and Fabric CA 1512. Basically just dependency updates in those. So not a whole lot is going on those LTS release streams. Just keeping them current for any vulnerabilities and that type of thing. Updating to Go 122.4 at this point. Any questions on the existing releases? Okay. So for Fabric version 3, I think we're getting pretty close. There was a bunch of things already that were removed that had been previously deprecated. We talked about most of these last time. This one that I'm highlighting now, removing the order endpoints in the channel configuration at the global level. That one's been done since our last meeting. So thanks for that, guys. For the SmartBFT, there's a couple of things that finished out. I know I saw a few more tests come in. I know a few of the most common test failures have been resolved since the last meeting. So thank you for that. I think Yoav, I think you might have fixed one or two of those. So I guess my question to Yakov and Yoav is, what is remaining for SmartBFT? I know we're getting pretty close.
Just a bunch of integration tests, but from my end, I think we're good. I mean, we can, in my opinion, we can merge them in even after we cut v3.0 GA.
Okay, and Yoav, do you have anything else to add?
Yeah, I agree with Yakov. It's a couple of integration tests that Emily is working on, and he's on the final stages. It's just a matter of days. And they're
Okay.
not essential for the release.
Yep. Okay. Sounds good. So I'm still seeing a few sporadic failures, but if I see a pattern of which ones are most common, I'll open an issue for those. But they've kind of been, after the most common ones have been resolved, they're kind of just all over the board now. Just occasionally we get a flake. I mean, a unit test fail pretty often, but it's usually due to different reasons. I don't see a common cause for most of them anymore, but I'll keep an eye on those. So on the lifecycle removal, that's one of the last things to finish out. Artem said he might be able to join today, but I don't see him yet. He did give me these notes. So the kind of the core integration has been removed already for the version 1 lifecycle that's being removed. There's still a little bit of miscellaneous work that needs to be done. Tetsuya, I know you said you could help with this. Artem said he'll think about which of these he could use help on. He does want to do some of it himself, he said. but he's at least thinking about what else we can help him with to expedite it.
So, actually, I haven't taken any action so far because just waiting for response from Altem. But based on the this memo, I and my colleague can assess which part we can help with. So first, I'll check it.
Okay, yeah, thank you. I do have a email going back and forth with Artem, so it sounds like he is thinking about what people can help with, and then I'll let you know what he responds with and loop you into that email as well.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So you don't have to take any action for now, but I'm gonna wait and hear back from Artem first. Okay, two other small things I said I would do is change this block gossip enable property, default that to false. That should be pretty quick. I haven't done it yet. And then we talked about updating this, making a new channel configuration for the max write size, so that at endorsement time, we can fail if the CouchDB is not configured to hold data as large as they want in the chain code. I just have not got to that. That is on my list though. Finally, this ED 25519 support that was integrated. Most of the heavy lifting was integrated into Fabric libgo. So now there's just a little bit of consumer code on the Fabric side, like the MSP code and things like that, that has to be updated for that. That PR is out there. I've pinged Angelo and Alessandro again to see if they could review that one so we can get that in for version 3. So I think that's about it. We're pretty close. Does anybody else have anything they want to try to get in for version 3? Okay. Any other topics for today? Okay, I'm fine keeping it a short meeting if there's nothing else. All right. Okay, well, thanks everybody.
Thanks,
We'll,
Dave.
yep, we'll talk to you next time.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, see ya. Bye.
You.